How to fix the issue of missed call notification not showing on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of cannot see the notification of missed call in Android device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting application on your device and go to notification and control center. From the setting of notification, go to app notification and here search for phone application. Once you do, simply click on the application's name and make sure all the notification is enabled. Certainly make sure allow notification badge is toggled on. Then after scroll below and go to incoming calls. For the incoming call, make sure the floating notification feature has been toggled on. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with notification of missed call not appearing on notification bar. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial.